Right, guys, it's a bit dark, but I've got to give a big thank you to Victor for sending me. Look what he sent. It's just absolutely so unreal. He's been so great. I can't believe it. I mean, I know it is, babe. We've got no food. The light bulb's gone.
Can we remove that?
Remove what?
The kitchen, then we can transfer it. So it's dark.
Yeah, okay, we'll do that. There's my sister, look, and she beautiful. Sorry, she's pregnant. She's gonna have a girl. Sorry, I'm just removing the light bulb so we can get some more light. We've got a house full of kids. The adults will, yeah, as usual. The adults will be coming here later. Let's put this in. It's not going in. There we go. Hey, we got some light.
Look, Matthew. Say hello. Hi.
Oh, pizza.
Say hello. Oh, hi, Dad.
Say hello, guys. Say.
Let's sing for Chris.
Wait lang. Say a big thank you to Victor for the pizza.
Okay.
Because otherwise we've got no food. We've done. Hold on. Oh, I can't show you. We did some spaghetti, didn't we? And that's it. She was going to do some lumpia, but she didn't get around to cooking it. Yeah, all right, calm down. So, it's my birthday. Thanks very much, Victor. Thank you, Victor.
Thank you very much.
Huh? Let's start again. Thank you, Victor. Wait. Thank you, Victor. After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Victor.
For the pizza. And the chicken. And the potato wedges. And the salad. And the Coca-Cola and the pasta. It's amazing. Thank you so much, Victor. You've saved the day. Yeah, very much.
Let's sing to Chris. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
I want to thank everybody that's wished me a happy birthday. Thank you ever so much. Thanks for all your lovely comments. It's been fantastic.
Since your birthday today, you need to ask them a kiss.
Well,
One by one.
actually, the person, wait, the person. Oh no, I don't want egg. The person. The person I thought would give me a kiss didn't give me a kiss. But I've had a kiss of Isa and Kim and Mane. Yeah, but the main culprit I wanted a kiss and she refused.
Annie, give kiss.
Yeah, give me a kiss on camera, Annie. Come on.
Mga bata mo po rin
Oh, missed! I missed!
What the fuck?
So now you know I what? Yeah. Come on, Grace. Yeah. Grace. Come on, Grace. Come on. So it's been a great day, guys. A really great day. Victor, I'm not joking. He saved the day. I mean, this is absolutely amazing kindness, and this isn't the first time. This isn't the first time that Victor sent a pizza, is it? Yeah. Was it Victor with a big pizza? Yeah. The massive pizza we had, it was from Victor as well.
That's because the one that he ordered is like a package.
Yeah, incredible kindness, Victor. I mean, really, honestly,
Very much, Victor.
we so much appreciate it. Now, I've got to get some drink for them for later, and they'll be having a bit of pizza and pasta, and they've got something to eat now. Fantastic. So we just wanted to do a quick video. It's not going to be a long video, guys. We just want to show you that there's more people to come yet, so we might do a little bit of video later on, mightn't we? So I'm just going to leave it here in case we've got something else to show you. Yeah. So that's it for now. We'll see you in a bit. Well, I must say, this has been amazing. Everybody's loving it. The chicken, the pizza, the pasta. Absolutely beautiful. Thanks so much, Victor. I can't thank you enough. You've saved my birthday. It was going to be pretty miserable. But Mars come round. Neighbours have come round. Agnes is here, look. Hello, Agnes. No, baby, I'm full. I've had enough. So, I'm gonna give the dog the bones of the chicken. As you can see, the Coke's going down really well, especially with the kids. Oh, what's up, Peterborough? Oi. So, excuse me. My birthday's brilliant.
Thank you, Victor Herrera, for the pizza.
Yeah, thanks so much, Victor. Can't thank you enough. You've been so kind. The birthday's been great. I've had a great day, as I've said before, and I love having loads of people here, even the kids, as long as they're not here till early hours of the morning. So my doggy will get all the leftovers, so there'll be nothing left by the end of the night, I can assure you. Wait lang, I can't have the music on while the camera's on. Wait lang. So I think we're gonna call it a video, even though it's very short, guys. No, not yet. So I'll pass it over to my wife. We'll shut the video down, because I don't think, other than drinking, you don't want to see people drinking. So over to you, babe.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and don't forget to visit our website, BrittonThePhilippines.com. Again, a massive thank you to Victor. Thanks, Victor. You've saved the day, like I said. Thank you so much. So till the next video, guys, I'm now 58 years old, but I still feel 21. Yeah, right. Okay, bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy.